What's up, folks? It's your man Jay, and I'm back with another video. So Google brought it this time. They went on ahead and brought out the devices early. They're showing them to us now, and that is exciting. This is Team Pixel exclusive. I'm super excited, man. 6 colors, I believe. 1, 2, 3. 6 colors total, 3 and 3 basically. 2 phones, 3 different colors, or different ways it's presented to you. It's really nice, man. First thing I want to talk about is their chip. Now, this chip is designed specifically for Pixel devices, it says, and I have a link down below so you can check this out yourself. And if you're not following Made by Google on Twitter, just go there and you can see everything. They just pretty much put it out there. They said, listen, here's a teaser of what's to come. So their Google Tensor, that's the chip is what they've decided to name it. This is exclusive. It's exciting because now we get to see, and I think what we're going to see going forward is a lot of people are going to be stepping away from these other manufacturers, these brands. They're going to step away from them and start doing their own thing. I mean, Huawei did it a long time ago, and you know the Huawei chip is sick. It is one of the fastest chips you could possibly use. And so now I'm happy that Google is doing their own chip, and I really want Google to lock down the Pixels this time. That sounds weird, but I don't want to see things on other devices that are offered on the Pixels devices. It's okay to, because we need the Pixel devices to be more exclusive. You're gonna have to buy a Pixel device in order to get these features and functionalities. I just want them to lock it away and just make sure it's just on Google devices. And so for now, they're starting with this chip. This chip is going to be really nice. I'm sure it's going to be really fast. I don't know what the equivalent of the chip is. Some people are saying the 765. Some people are saying the 865 or the 888. I don't think benchmarks don't mean anything to me because based on what Google has already done with the current devices, flawless. They took a 765 chip in their flagship version for the 5, and it blew away its performance. It just kills a lot of devices out there. So I'm excited, man. So the chip is like the main thing that you should be excited about because now you're getting all Google. Yes, the Pro model has a different lens on there. It has a 4 times telephoto lens. I believe it says extra on their optical lens. But, you know, they both have, I think, 50 megapixel cameras. So this is going to be exciting. Just hit that link down below and go to them on Twitter. Google on Twitter, and you'll see exactly the official things. This is just my video letting you know I'm excited about it, man. A true story, I actually had shot a video last night talking about Google, and it was supposed to drop at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time today. I had to pull it back because there's no more leaks and rumors. It's official. So I have to treat it as such. I had to pull that video back. And my man LaShawn, he put out his video this morning, and he's again talking in that same fashion I was, and I caught mine just in time. And you're seeing this video. It was kind of going to cover, and you know, it's the same deal. I'm happy that they made it official. And you should be happy too, because this lets you know that Google is serious. And again, Google, please price these devices right. Now, they didn't talk about any kind of folding Pixel or Pixel 5a, none of that stuff. They want you to focus on their flagship devices. And, you know, they didn't give too much, but I feel like it's getting ready to blow. I think the Pixel 6 lineup, and anything that's coming from Google right now, I think it's going to be better than any other manufacturer's device coming out because Google has mastered the art of cameras. They have proven that they have the best cameras on smartphones, or we wouldn't have everybody doing this Gcam thing, trying to get Google's camera. You know what I'm saying? So they've proven that. We got the camera game. They've proven they have the software game. The performance is there. Now let's see how they do with this chip. I'm super excited about this. Yes, I'm down with Team Pixel. I'm an official part of Team Pixel. If you're a Team Pixel, if you've been rocking with Google for as long as you can remember, please name the device your first Google device. Put that in the comments with your other comment, whatever you want to say. AJ, my first Pixel was Boom. Because I had the original all the way back to the first Android device. So I'm talking all the way back to the G1. I've been with them since then. And I've been rocking with the Pixels, the Nexus. I love it, you know what I'm saying? So while I don't hold the title King Pixel, shout out to my man LaShawn, he got that one first. I'll let you have it, bro. I'll let you have it. This is exciting. This should be like, and I know the Samsung's devices are getting ready to drop. We know what to expect from those devices because they're using the Snapdragon device, the 888. We know what to expect. We know what their software is going to be like. We know everything is going to about those devices. This design from Google just took it to a whole nother level. Just the hardware alone, you should be excited about. Now, but the difference between the two is, the chip and everything, the cameras, it's pretty much all the same. But the hardware itself is a little different. Now, personally, I would have given the matte feel to all of the devices. But the Pro version, I guess they're trying to make it a more, I guess they would somewhat argue that they think that's more appealing as far as the label of Pro or higher quality. But the edges on the bigger model, which is the Pro model, has the glossy sides. And the 6, which is just, you can't call it small, still got a huge screen, but it's just smaller than the Pro model, but it has the matte flat sides, and I think that is dope. So I think you're still going to get the same quality that you're going to get from either one, no matter which one you go with. All I ask is that Google prices these competitively. Because I know that this chip is going to, if Google comes out with the same pricing from the Pixel 5, they're never going to have these in stock. They won't have them in stock because they're producing their own chip now, so they can set this price how they want to set it. So I mean, they're gonna. I really hope they bring the thunder with this, man. So I'm excited about it. I hope you're excited about it. I wanted to go ahead and make another video because again, my original video had to scrap it. It was all rumor talk. Now it's official. And if you're a part of Team Pixel, remember, I want you to label and give me a comment and put down your first Google device. What was your first Pixel, your Nexus, whatever you were at? What was the first time you experienced stock Android with Google? So I would love to hear from you on that. So we're going to chop it up, man. In the comment section, let's get it on. Let's talk about it. I'm excited. You're excited. I'm happy for Google. Shout out to Team Pixel. You already know we represent. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.